How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In this video, I will be showing you some amazing secret Android tips and tricks that I guess most of you never heard of. With that being said, if you really want to get most out of your Android smartphone, then make sure you watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up is how you can improve the speed of your mobile data. Well, if you are facing slow internet connection on your phone, then I do have one simple trick by using which you can actually improve your mobile data connection. All you have to do is just go to your phone dialer and enter this secret code, which is *#*4636 #*#. Once you have entered this number, select phone information. Now if you scroll it down, you will get this option called set preferred network type. Make sure you change it to LTE only. Once you have done this, now you will need to reboot your device and that's it. You will notice much difference in the speed of your mobile data connection. It will be much faster and better. Guys, it has worked for me, so I will highly recommend you to try it out yourself. Next up is how you can activate this powerful secret toggle in your notification panel. What it does is, whenever you turn it on, it will deactivate all the sensors that you have on your phone, such as your camera, microphone, proximity sensor and more. So even if you access any third-party website, they won't be able to track any of your information since all your phone sensors has been disabled. Let me show you how you can activate this very useful toggle in your smartphone. Just go to your settings, about phone, and then to software information. Tap on this build number for 7 times. Now you will have developer option enabled in your settings. Just select it and then scroll it down till you find quick settings developer tiles. Here you will find this option called sensors off. All you need to do is enable this option and now you will have this powerful toggle in your notification panel. Once you activate it, you won't be able to access your camera or any of your sensors. Well, it's super useful and I will highly suggest you to try it out if you are concerned about your privacy. Alright guys, next up we have one more setting hidden in the developer option which will enhance your multitasking and let you open multiple apps in a freeform window like this. Guys, you can easily open any number of applications and use it in a pop-up window like this in your device without installing any third-party application. Again, go to your settings and then to developer option. If you scroll it down, below you will find this option called force activities to be resizable. Make sure you enable this option and then enable freeform windows as well. Once you have done all these steps, now you need to reboot your device, and after that, if you open any application from your recent apps menu, press and hold on it and now you will have this brand new option called Freeform, which will allow you to open any application in a freeform window like this. And the best part is you don't have to install any third-party application. You can simply enable this feature by just going to the developer option. Well, before moving on to the next trick, if you love watching these kind of videos, then I will highly suggest you to subscribe to this channel because I keep making such awesome content for you. Alright, the next trick is related to Gmail. If you are sending an email to someone, you can simply tap on these 3 dots and then select confidential mode. By enabling this mode, you can actually set an expiration date for your email. For example, if I set it to expire in 1 week, the email that I am sending will automatically gets deleted from the recipient inbox within a week. Like this, you can set different expiration date for your email, and it also allows you to set a password for your email if you want to make it more confidential. And one more thing is, the recipient will not be able to forward your email once you enable this mode. So it's a very useful feature which is available in the Gmail application. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some amazing tips and tricks that I guess most of you never heard of. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.